Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add Roman numeric page level in your PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and click on this home option, and here you will find this thumbnail option. Now click on this page and click right button for your mouse cursor. Here you will find this properties option and see this PDF file, there is no page level. See this. Now click on this organize option. Here you will find this number pages option. Click here and this style option. Click this arrow. Here you will find this small letter Roman numbering and this capital Roman numbering. I'll add this one. Also you can add start number from 2, 3, so on. And simply select OK. And see this Roman numeric numbering, this added already. See this. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.